Apple releases security patches on a regular basis, and to find the details of the security issues related to the patches, have a look at the Apple Security Updates page, which you can see here in front of you. If we scroll down, we can see the latest issues and security updates. Let's click on this one. You can look up on MITRE.org or the National Vulnerability Database for more details as usual. It will give you an idea of the criticality and if you want to install it, but generally you want to just install all security updates unless you have some special reason why you don't want to. OS X is able to download and install updates for the operating system and the Apple App Store apps. And you can set this up for automatic updates. And this is done this way. So if you go here, System Preferences, App Store, and here you can see the settings for automatic updates. So here you have automatic updates. That obviously needs to be checked to do the updates. This will download them in the background and you'll be notified when they're ready to be installed. Click this if you want to install the app updates automatically. And click this if you want to install the OS X operating system updates automatically. And here you can select to install the system data files and security updates, and obviously you definitely want this one selected. And you can click here to check for the latest updates. And here we can see an update is required, and that provides the details of the update. And you can see here it says security content of the update. So if we click here, we can see the security content of this update, which is there. These are the latest options for Yosemite and El Capitan, but in prior versions of OS X, these settings won't look like this, and I don't believe automatic downloading and installing of updates is available in all prior versions. And you may not be able to select for security updates as well, like you can here and with Microsoft. If you only want to install security updates, then you can of course deselect these and just have it install the security updates. Any other app that you have downloaded and installed not from Apple or the App Store is not updated as part of these settings. You will need to update these manually, or you can try a tool called Mac Update, which is here. This is an app that you download and install. Think of it as a bit like another app store that has non-app store apps in it. It will detect what software is out of date and allow you to download and install the latest version. I found it to work okay. It does have a few bugs here and there and will show the same app twice sometimes. I haven't found a better alternative though, and it is pretty good at keeping the rest of your apps up to date with the latest versions. Let me play this quick video so you can get a good idea.
MacUpdate.com has long been the best destination for discovering Mac apps, and the all-new Mac Update Desktop 6 takes that experience to a new level with unmatched simplicity for installing and updating all your Mac apps with just one click. Installing iOS apps on your iPhone is always familiar and easy, but it's not so simple on a Mac. Disk images, compressed files, and different installation requirements can leave new users confused and pro users inconvenienced. Mac Update Desktop 6 eliminates these hassles. When you discover an app on MacUpdate.com, just click Install, and Mac Update Desktop 6 takes care of the rest. When the app is ready for use, simply toggle the Mac Update Desktop menu bar item and you're ready to go. You can install as many apps as you want under Desktop's freemium model. The convenience of one-click app installs also extends to keeping your Mac apps up to date as well. Just click the Update button on any outdated app and Mac Update Desktop takes care of the rest, ensuring you're always taking advantage of the latest features and improvements. Mac Update is changing the way that Mac users discover and install Mac apps. Download Mac Update Desktop 6 today and experience the new, intuitive way of installing and updating your Mac apps.
If you are, as I'm sure you probably are, as you're doing this course, going to install extra power tools onto OS X, because Apple hasn't included them, then I recommend you install Brew. Brew is the missing package manager for OS X. And if you use this, it means you can also update and upgrade those packages via the Brew tool. If you copy and paste this into your terminal, so there you go, it's installed. You will need admin privileges in order to install it though. If you type brew help, that will help you on how to use it, or man brew. I'll show you a quick few commands. This will search for the package nmap. You can do, this will install nmap. So that's nmap installed. There we go, nmap's there. How quick and easy was that? Brew update. This checks if it's up to date. You can find out if any of the packages are outdated. You can upgrade any package that needs upgrading, or you can specify a particular package that needs upgrading. So there you can see nmap is up to date. And this will show you the packages that you have installed. You can see there we've also got OpenSSL installed as well, because that came with nmap. So there you go, that's Brew.